Hey everybody, we're live at 8:21 p.m. rolling our Game of Thrones Survivor Pool list. There we got our list of names that I'm going to paste in here. We got 23 entries, which is nice. Gonna roll the dice, got to get a 5 or better, just like any other time. We got a 5, so here we go. We'll randomize them and see how they end up. Let's get right to it. You're on. There's our list for the first round. Round 2, led by Ed. Ed again on top in round 3. The field in the top spot for our fourth round. Bringing us to the final round. Here we go. I need to plug in my computer or it's gonna die. Oh, there we go. All right. And here is our rotation. Grey Worm in at number 1. There they are. Everybody all the way down to Sir Davos Seaworth down at number 23. We'll get our verification. BTSYTG. There that is. I am done. At 8:23. One last time, here's the list. We'll see you in a bit, guys. I'll post this out and get numbers equated with names here. We'll match this up, and we'll see how tonight's episode goes. Thanks, everybody. See ya.